Acceptance skill. Discern what deserves your energy. Acceptance is a skill when you notice when your effort becomes emotional debt. When the return on investment of your time, heart, and hustle has flatlined, the wise move is to redirect. This aligns with the sunk cost fallacy, a bias where we keep investing in something just because we already have invested in it. Skillful acceptance says, I can honor what this looks like without throwing more into it. It's the difference between commitment and captivity. This is like keeping something on the burner long after it's scorched. You can keep stirring, but it is not coming back. It is better to start fresh with what you've learned. Here is your skill activity. Sift and redirect. Choose one project, one goal, or one relationship that feels heavy or stuck. Write a closing inventory of what you've already gained. Skills, lessons, clarity, etc. Then, you're going to draw two columns. Column A, why I'm still holding on. Column B, what might I grow if I let go? Circle one action to release your grip on. Cancel a meeting, archive a file, say no. Then schedule 30 minutes this week to invest that freed up energy into something new. Acceptance means turning off the burner on a dish that's burned so you can use the stove for something better.